This is an enterprise making constant progress in raw material industry, through technical innovation and improving. Founded in 1992, KEDA SUREMAKER became the listed company in 2002, taking over around more than 170 acres in Foshan and Maanshan with 4,000 staffs, as a professional organization and technology provider for AAC plant and the sand line brake plant solution. KEDA SUREMAKER has built more than 800 plants worldwide with considerate service. With the scientific technical innovation and application of intelligent designing software, KEDA SUREMAKER can ensure the successful launch of new products. Customized planning design can satisfy different customers' demands. Make full use of space efficiently to ensure the smooth running of the production line. All the main components are proceed in one-step through clamping and molding by digital machine tools, and all the host equipment will undergo ex-factory loaded commissioning. Key equipment will undergo multi-machine linkage commissioning. Such information-based management means as ERP, MES, SCM are applied to carry out production process control, cost management, quality management, and supply chain management. The National Engineering Experiment Center and the Technical Research Center can provide scientific data support and hardware service for the technical R&D. KEDA SUREMAKER has established a test center for new type raw materials, which has the most complete facilities and the most advanced technologies in China. This center is used for the test on technical formulas of new type raw materials and the training of ultimate users, which can effectively reduce customers' risks in investment and shorten commissioning period. The professional project management team can provide customers with a full life cycle service for projects, which can ensure rapid delivery of projects and shorten customers' payback period. Service bases are set up around the world for timely response to customers' requirements. With the internet platform KEDA Mall, KEDA can provide customers with the experience of Internet Plus intelligent equipment.